My personal review of the Brick app, how I keep work and personal life separate. Running a business on your phone is awesome
Until it's not.
your business goes with you everywhere. Over the last 9 years of running an online business, I pretty much tried everything to keep phone and business work from invading every moment of every day. Everything from using a flip phone, trying two smartphones, one being work, one being personal, skipping the phone altogether. Bad idea when you break down on the side of the road. Using screen limits, which are so easy to bypass. Deleting apps for the weekend and then reinstalling them for the work week. Pretty annoying. And just good old-fashioned discipline. Don't open the app. But old habits really die hard. And then I heard about Brick. You can see it right there. It's the little black app that says Brick, and then it goes with this. I gotta notice that my Brick got here, so let's go get it from the mailbox. So exciting. There you are. Hey, Rudy's. Hey, Petey. All right, let's see. One, two. I had to get two because it was a special, right? Get the second one for lower money. Welcome to Brick. Your phone is about to become a tool again. Very cool. And it gives you ideas of where to put your Brick. And then this is what it looks like in the package. Pretty simple. Okay, time to set it up. You're gonna download this app from the App Store, okay? And then once you have it on your phone, you use this app with this to brick your phone. So when I'm ready to leave my house or I'm done working in my office, I brick my phone. So to do that, I just tap this button. It says ready to scan, and then I touch it to the Brick app, and now my phone is bricked. So what's gonna happen now is when I try to access any of my social media apps, it says, this is a distraction, your phone is currently bricked. To access Facebook, you need to tap your Brick. You get to choose which apps you want to use. So for me, I have my email bricked, but I can still text people. I can get into my photos still if I want to. I can take pictures. I chose to have my podcasts and Audible app still available, okay? So you get to customize it exactly the way that you want. And then when you're ready to get back to work, all you do is tap the app, you tap to Brick, and then you tap it here, and you're ready to go. All of your apps are back. It's super inexpensive. It is just $59 US, and you have no recurring expenses. So it's been 188 days since I made that walk down to my mailbox and got my Brick. And the result, well, it's honestly changed my life. I used to spend over 6 hours a day on my phone, and now my average, I spend about an hour and a half on my phone. I keep my Brick right here in my office. It's magnet. And so when I'm doing my business work, I come in here, unbrick my phone, sit down and get to work. When I'm done working, I brick my phone and leave the office. The things that I love the most about the Brick is that I'm still able to be present with my family, take pictures of my kids, use maps to get places that I don't know where to go, listen to audiobooks and music when I work out or go on walks. But I don't have any of the distractions of my business work, which is all on social media. Being present in the moment is legit, and I don't have to use any discipline to do it because Brick doesn't let me get into those apps. What are the downsides to Brick? Well, in my opinion, there's not many, but it isn't currently available for Android users, just iPhone. If you're someone who wants to have all the tools but none of the distractions, maybe you run an online business, you're a student, have kids and you just want to be more present with them, or you've set up screen time limits on a bunch of different apps, then the Brick app is totally worth checking out. Take back your vacations, date nights, Christmas Day, playing with your kids, exercising, and do all those things distraction-free. Go get a Brick.